Okay, Tania Ferguson and Atul Kamath. The topic is, or the position statement is, the Hana Table. Steve Lamb, are you here? There he is. The Hana Table is the best way to perform anterior approach. The pro position, Dr. Tania Ferguson. The con position, Dr. Atul Kamath.
All right, and Joe Schwab just took 4 seconds of my time. I'd like that noted for the record. Here's the deal. The point, the position is that anterior approach surgery done on the table is the best way to do hip replacement. And that's obvious. Can you do a hip replacement off table? Sure. Let's remember where that started. It started by the people who couldn't get their hospital to pay for a Hana table. That problem is gone. The Hana table is now the least expensive technology that I use in my operating room. It's done. Second of all, the fact is that the best done anterior approach on table far exceeds the best done anterior approach off table, regardless of patient. Less muscle injury. You can do an anterior approach on table in a primary hip replacement in a patient with fairly normal body habitus without any muscular injury at all. And we do all the time. That is different than off table where there is always some muscular injury. Furthermore, we can do it without any releases around the femur versus off table, where commonly there are releases that need to be done to get the femoral exposure. Number 3, difficult body habitus. Ben Dome left, I'm sorry, but if you'll remember him standing here, my tallest patient ever was 7'3" with a BMI of 38. That is a very difficult operation off table. It's a difficult operation on table, but it can be done without any muscular injury, nevertheless, by virtue of the extension of the leg and the manipulation of the extremity with the use of the Hana table. Number 4, I had a beautiful picture of Nick Mast doing an anterior approach, total hip replacement, on the Hana table with 0 assistance. 0 assistance. That cannot be done with off-table anterior approach surgery. In the ASC, where we have limited resources, assistants are the most expensive part of our team, of our operation. No assistance necessary when you have a Hana table. And number 5, go back to session 1, revision hip replacement. Not one of those presenters showed a single image or video of an off-table revision surgery. The table becomes critical and it greatly facilitates all operations, but it absolutely facilitates the revision surgery, especially with femoral exposure. Difficult femoral exposure in revision and complex primaries that require long stem often are done on, you didn't see a single person up here this entire meeting, and these are the people you've seen over the course of this meeting are the best surgeons doing the anterior approach, period. You did not see one single revision surgery demonstrated off table. With that, I will rest my case and turn over the microphone to my worthy opponent.
So full disclosure, I think we are anterior surgeons, not anterior plus table surgeons, right? So, and Tania, insulting half the audience is not a good way to, start this off. And I think our goal of surgery, of course, is efficiency and all the things Tania talked about. But actually, my opponent kind of missed a lot of purported benefits of using a table, right? Technology assistance, positioning, other things that people talk about the table. So we'll concede that she missed all that. I would say you actually have a rich history using the table. However, there's a lot of benefits. Now, we talk about cost and value, and I think the setup is easier with off-table. There's no extra disposables. You don't need a non-sterile assistant to help you maneuver the table. The ergonomics of moving a table can be tough. The Hana Table is too big for the ASC, I would contend, right? We have smaller ASCs, we have to be more nimble. Oh, and actually now I need 2 tables because I have 2 operating rooms that I need to furnish. And then also a lot of the studies that you talked about, actually didn't mention any studies related to soft tissue preservation, efficiency, ergonomics, outcomes. There's been no study on comparing the two. So I would say dealer's choice on using a table or not. And I would say it's really the anterior approach and your technique rather than the table that's going to get you there. So I would say this is also a global meeting, right? So not every country, not every facility can afford the Hana Table, as we talked about. Someone yesterday waited 12 years in Brazil to get their Hana Table. And again, the cost is not insignificant, especially in your ASC that you own. I would contend that primary and revision surgery are equally done on table versus off table. So I think that's sort of the point of needing a table to do surgery, I think, is definitely a fallacy as well. And then I would say probably it's quicker to do revision surgery off table. The leg is more facile. The intervals are more easy to access. So again, I would probably say, and then probably the risk of fracture with reduction maneuvers is probably less with off table than on table as well. So, I think, Tania, you got to really step up a little bit here. I think you got to give yourself more credit. You're a better surgeon than you think you are. I think, given the opportunity, you probably could do this off table as well. Your ability to use technology is not afforded by the table. It's by your expert ability to look at fluoroscopy. Your ability to get exposure is your mastery of the anatomy, not the table itself. And perhaps the argument is less about table or off table, but can we harness or teach the anatomy and the technology better rather than using the table as a crutch to get exposure or better outcomes. So with that, maybe we can even cue up my little picture here. I know we're not used to use slides, but this is Tania trying to shoot a gun with her Hana Table. And this is one of the best pistol shooters in the world out of Turkey, kind of just strolling up and getting a silver medal in the Olympics. So, Tania, I think give yourself some credit. I know you're better than that. And again, table or no table, we'll get you there, okay? Thank you.
Rebuttal.
Well, that was a nice slide. I'm sorry, I have a 6th point. Could I please see my slide?
Tania, I know you worked on this all morning.
I would like to talk about the
Photoshopped this out of the
hypocrite.
video.
Everything you just heard is false news. I am officially canceling Atul for his debate against his own practice.
That's a dead patient, Tania. We can do Hana Table surgery on a dead patient in a
own
lab, but in real life,
My opponent uses the Hana Table. So that is all I have to say. If the mic could drop, I would do it.
1 minute rebuttal.
You can start signing that certificate for me for the award, but
Please go and vote.
I preference it. I use both, right? I also do hip arthroscopy. We do a lot of other things, but I think we should not be beholden to saying the table is the best way to do surgery. It's the surgeon. Don't sell yourself short. Surgeon, anatomy, principles, adjunctive technology can both be done. Table, no table, it doesn't matter. So I think from that standpoint, I'm glad I convinced you all that off table is easy and facile and the way to go. So thank you.
Go to your Whova app and vote for who won. Hana Table is the best way to perform anterior approach. Nice job.